Hey guys, Nala here with a very beautiful face. You guys already know. I'm so excited for today's video because I'm about to catfish people literally, right? This wig I'm about to put on now. When I go out today, I'm hoping that everybody will be complimenting my hair, telling me it's so nice. Oh my God, when did you grow out your hair? That is the kind of compliment that I am fishing for today. And I will let you guys know how it goes. I'm going to ask my friends what they think, right? So this wig is from HerGivenHair. If you've been on this channel, you know my love for HerGivenHair. Comes in this gorgeous box. So this is a half wig, which is why I'm going to be catfishing people, letting them think it's my hair. I'm going to leave my hair out in front. You guys will see. And it's kinky texture. And when it comes to kinky textures, HerGivenHair is literally the best in the game. Because you guys, look how natural this looks. Like, this already looks like my hair. It looks like your hair. Like, it just looks like black hair, and it's just so beautiful. Very lightweight, of course. This is 18 inches, and it is also one size fits all. So whether your head is big, small, whatever, you can use this wig. I'm going to be bringing out my hair in front. So you guys can see I already braided my hair. So I'm going to put this wig like from here, then bring out the swans in front and try and style it different ways to show you guys so many ways you can style this hair. But before I go ahead and clip it on my head, I'm going to really drench the hair in water, wet it very well, condition it, and then like pat it dry. So it's not going to be like hair dried or blow dried, but I'll just pat it dry. So I'm just going to do that real quick and show you guys what the wig is going to look like, and then we can now fix it. Okay guys, so as I was just washing this hair, I didn't even need to use a comb because seriously, look how gorgeous it looks. It just looks so gorgeous, so full. Hey guys, see? This looks like real hair. It looks like my hair. So as I was just washing it, I was just passing my hand through the wig and it was passing so seamlessly. Seriously, I'm very impressed. Considering that this is very coily, like it's tight curls. Oh, I should actually show you guys what the curls look like up close. Hold on. So can you see how tight the curls are? So now imagine washing it and it was that easy. Very, very impressive. Okay. Also, this wig has clips. So it has clips to help you secure it on your head. And like I said, this is a half wig. So even though you can wear it as a wig, you can also use it as a ponytail. So it has this rope here for it to use and secure it if you want to wear it as a ponytail. Can you guys see how the gap is closing? Can you see? So you can use it as a ponytail. It looks like that. Very, very versatile. If you're like me and you don't like stress, you need a wig like this in your life. So now I'm going to go ahead. Oh, and I should mention how the edges look very natural. Can you guys see how they made here just have like ruffles and made it short so that it's easy to blend with your natural hair. HerGivenHair, you guys know I love you so much. Their wigs are always 10 over 10 for me. So I'm going to go ahead and start clipping it now. Using the first clip, I'm going to clip the first one here. I want to wear this a side part, but I also try center another thing. So clip it in, and then clip the one at the back. Okay, so I have clipped front and back, and now I'm going to clip the ones on the sides. We don't want any lifting. We want to secure every angle. So when I was braiding my hair, I left this at the back. So I'm going to loosen it now, just in case I want to like pack it up and wear it as a ponytail without actually like using my hair. I wanted to have the opportunity to do that. Do you know that without even removing this hair, this is a style? Like I can wear this wig out like this and it looks like a style. I think the only thing is that I would like do my baby hair. Let me just show you guys real quick. Tell me that I cannot wear this wig out like this. Like, open your mouth and tell me that this is my vibe. I love it. I almost feel like just wearing it like this. It's so gorgeous. And the thing about this particular style is that it is stress-free. You're not trying to blend your hair to the natural hair. You're not trying to do any of those things. You guys saw the hair I was carrying. Like, that's just it. Nothing else. I'm so impressed. Can you guys see how bouncy this hair is? It just feels so light and it feels so good and it looks so good. Oh, now that you guys have seen this, remember like I said, I left this strand out. I'm going to open it up and then blend my hair to the wig. This is the part I'm actually very excited about. I want to see how good it will blend with my natural hair. So it's almost like I knew I was getting this wig. I bought this from the store last week and I've not used it before. But this is the Cantu Shea Butter Wave Whip Coiling Mousse. So it's supposed to be for natural curls, coils, and waves. Okay. There are two different things. So it defines waves and curls without crunch, weightless moisture and conditioning. So we're gonna put it to a try. So let's just take some, just like that. Guys, tell me you watching this video don't even think that this is my hair. If you did not see me style this hair right now, you would never believe it's not my hair. It looks so good. It looks like my hair. Let me come close. So this is what it looks like when I come close. Seriously, it looks like it is growing out of my scalp, which technically it is because I brought my hair in front and you don't know what's going on at the back. So it looks exactly like my hair. Love it. I'm going out later today. So like I said, I cannot wait to get people's reaction when I show them this wig or when they see me with this hair, because I know I'm going to get compliments. You know, when you just know you're going to get compliments, people are going to be like, oh my God, your hair is so nice. And I'm going to be like, thank you guys. Thank you so much. Remember, I brought out my hair in front. If I wanted to, I can style it like differently. You guys, do you see what we're doing here? Do you see what I just did? I literally just combed it back and clipped it. You can also do this with a headband, which I'm going to show you guys very soon. Like, you can style this hair in so many different ways. I'm so amazed. I feel like this is going to be my wig for the week because it's just too easy. And I'm not even going to be bringing out my hair when I'm wearing it for the rest of the week. I'm just going to put it on like the very first style that we did because that's actually the easiest. But if you want to now catfish people, you can bring out your hair. Like, it looks so good. See, let me come close again. So this is me up close. This is the hair and my wig and everything just mixed together, looking very real, like it's all my hair. Now, let us do another style. Oh, I really like this one. Guys, it's like with every style I finish, I'm like, this is my favorite. Because right now, this is looking like it's my fave. And you guys see me? And see how cute I look? I look so cute. Seriously, I love this. The headband even makes it look a bit more real. Like, you know, when you just style your natural hair, you're going somewhere, but you also want to look glam and just like style your natural hair. That's what it looks like right now. Okay, so now let's try a bang. I really don't know how we are gonna achieve this, but let's try it. See, I already know I'm a fine babe because, see, that's actually another way to know, because no matter the style you put on your head, it looks 10 over 10, 100 over 10. Because tell me why every single style is a bang on me. Can you guys take a look at these bangs? It looks so cute, and I've not styled my hair like this in such a long time. I feel like the last time I had this style, it was with HerGivenHair as well. And it just looks so gorgeous. So at some point, I brought our hair from all the way back here, and I just brought it forward and like just arranged it to just give the bang like a fuller look so that the wig also blends with my natural hair. And I love the outcome. I look so cute. Guys, I'm so happy. I am so happy with this wig. I know this wig is called a 3-in-1 wig, but I feel like that name does not even begin to describe this wig because there are unlimited ways you can use this wig and style this wig. And last but not the least, a center part, because I mean, we always have to give you guys the good old center part, and this is what it looks like. I just parted my hair. Like I said, if you want your part to go deeper, you can actually leave out more hair. This is just the size of hair that I left out. So if I had left out more hair, the part would have gone deeper. But even at that, it just looks so gorgeous. Looks good. I feel so good in this wig. There's just something about wearing natural wigs like this, like natural textured wigs like this, that just boosts your confidence because it's our hair, you get? It's the kind of hair that we are born with. And it just feels good knowing that, you know, you can get the same natural look with a wig, not always like straight and all that good stuff. Anyways, I love this wig. Don't forget, like I told you guys, all the details you need, you will find in my description. This wig is from HerGivenHair, the best in the game when it comes to kinky wigs or any like black girl friendly wig. HerGivenHair is your plug. You should already know this by now. Check out the description for all the details you need, and I'll see you guys later.